Alrighty, hey guys, this is Think Outside the Cube, and here we're going to do the most popular type of video on my channel, which is going to be a cruise room tour. Here we are on the Royal Caribbean Brilliance of the Seas for a 5-night Western Caribbean cruise going to Grand Cayman and Cozumel. This is the last night, just got done with dinner, figured I'd show you the room real quick and let you guys see how it's laid out. This is an older ship, and so see kind of how it's held up and stuff like that with it being 2018 now. We are in a Superior Deluxe balcony stateroom, and the Superior Deluxe does add 10 extra square feet, which when you're in a cruise cabin, that is valuable real estate, and I'll show you where that shows up in a second. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'll start it on the hallway and we'll come in and we'll just do everything from there. So see you guys in a second. So coming in, as you can see, 9632. Go ahead and insert your card. You do come right in. Door slams behind you. Of course, you do have your lighting switches. And the first thing on your right hand side is going to be your closet. Now, depending on which cabin you're in, these can be swapped vice versa. But I'll go ahead and lay down my card there. As you can see, coming inside, we do get complimentary robes since we are platinum members with Royal Caribbean, just your Crown and Anchor Society. So there's a couple of those in here, but there's plenty of room. There are 3 people on this cruise currently, and so as you can see, there's plenty of storage space. Storage down here for bags and shoes and stuff like that, and then shelving space and all that kind of stuff. So they do provide hangers and all that, so you don't have to worry about that. Over here on your right side, you do have your volume control for your speaker, bathroom light. If you didn't know, the walls in here are magnetic, so you can actually bring like chip clips and stuff like that and like clip your itineraries or stuff like that on the wall if you want to. And then of course you do have your thermostat, which is basically your just like warm for hot, or red for hot, blue for cool. Coming in your restroom, it's just your typical cabin bathroom. As you can see, this one in particular does have a curtain. We actually prefer the ones with like the closing like doors, I guess you would say, like the capsule type showers. But as you can see, coming inside, temperature, water pressure, and then you do have your removable little nozzle. Plenty of storage, and you are provided with shampoo, which we don't use. But I mean, it's just typical run-of-the-mill stuff. This is going to be an older ship, as I said, so it's going to be nothing groundbreaking in here. We do have all of our towels, hand towels up there, your toilet, and then of course storage underneath your sink. As you can see, toiletry bag. We do have cups over here, 3 of them since we do have 3 people in the cabin. And then a little bit of storage over here for just your cosmetic needs. As you can see, mom, me, and dad. It works out good if you have 3 people in the room. And then you do have a little 2-prong outlet up there. Tissues, and that's about it for the bathroom. Hooks on the back of your door in case you want to hang up towels or anything like that. The only full-length mirror in the room is going to be right here, as you can see, just to check out your outfits before dinner. And since this is a 3-person setup, as you can see, we do have our king-size bed, the 2 twins pushed together, and we do have our fold-down bunk right here. So your 10 extra square feet does get you actually a longer sofa. Instead of a love seat, you actually do have a full-length sofa. And at first we kind of came in here and we were a little underwhelmed, but honestly, we've kind of felt the extra square footage, especially in like this area right here. It feels like there's more width, and there's more width this way as well. Or there's more length and width, I'm sorry. But you can definitely tell the square footage spending a lot of time in here. So this sofa is not actually like a bed. As you can see, it's literally just a regular sofa, but we've mainly just used it for storage. Right over here is just all of the souvenirs that we've kind of crammed in a Lulu bag, and we've just got some folded clothes right there. As I said, it is our last day. So we do have, as you depart, paperwork and all that kind of stuff, tags for our luggage. But as far as the bunk goes, I mean, sure, typical bunk. I mean, I've had to sleep up here every night and it's fine. There is a little light up here. If I can find the switch for it. There you go. But I've never used it. I guess if you want to read or something late at night, that's what it's used for. But coming over here, of course, lights on either side, reading lights that don't work, and then you do have your phone, which is antiquated, and a little bit of storage right there Mom just uses for her iPad and stuff. And then same deal over here on the right side, another mirror. Coming over here, we do have storage, as you can see, just our cups. Ice is available upon request. Our snacks we brought. You have flat screen TVs, thankfully, so you don't have any like tube TVs or anything like that. Then coming up top, you have your safe. Just input your 4-digit code and you can store like your wallet, car keys, and stuff like that in there, since you won't need any of that. As you can see, your life support system we have plugged in right here. There are only 2 American outlets in the whole cabin, so we always bring a power strip just for all our phone charging. You can see watch chargers, stuff like that. So definitely a good idea, being the 21st century. You need more than 2 outlets probably. You'd have your cooler right here just for any beverages that you bring or medicine or anything like that. It's not a refrigerator, it's just meant to be a cooler. It only goes down to like 50 degrees, I think is what the note said on it. But coming to your vanity area right here, of course mirrors on each side with storage. So as you can see, we've just thrown some stuff in there. And then same deal on this side, mainly Mom's stuff, Mom's cosmetics. And then right here, as you can see, plenty of room to do makeup. This is where Mom does. Just storage ledge, we've just used it for sunglasses and stuff. And you have drawers on either side. In a regular stateroom, you wouldn't have the extra set of drawers, so that's another I guess visual that you have that added square footage, is you actually have an extra set of drawers. So we've kind of divided up, everyone in the room gets 2 drawers, and so like underwear, pajamas, belts, socks, stuff like that goes in the drawers. But yeah, chair right there. And then I guess the last part is the balcony, which it is unfortunately dark outside, so you probably won't be able to see much, but I can actually just use the flash on my phone and insert pictures probably. Yeah, there's no light out there, so we can come out here, and if you can see something, then I guess it's to your benefit. But as you can see, coming out here, door just slides, and you just have your basic like bistro table and 2 chairs that you can basically use for like drying off your towels or anything like that. And then we are heading back to Tampa right now. If you can see down there, you probably can't, but on the 7th floor, we originally had a 7th floor balcony room booked, and it's actually obstructed view, which means there's probably a 6-foot ledge in front of your balcony that you have to view off of. And we were like a few weeks before our cruise, we were upgraded to the Superior Deluxe on the 9th floor, which is nice. But on the 7th floor, it wouldn't be a deal breaker, honestly, as long as it's significantly cheaper. And it still would be much better than just an ocean view room. But that's something to take note of. The 7th floor does have to deal with an obstructive view balcony. I think it's only for a limited number. It's not all of them on the 7th floor, but it's most of them. So that's something to keep in mind when you are booking on the Brilliance and all these sister ships. But let me catch my breath real quick. I think that'll be it for the balcony room tour on the Brilliance of the Seas. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.